back to my channel. Today we could build a wall. So we need some magnet tiles, and this magnet tiles is not enough. We need more. So you know how much? Is this much. This is the whole stack of magnet tiles that I've been playing with, plus the big one. You know how tall is it? It is this tall. So this car is gonna build a lot. So we need some tall triangles and another different color one, and we also need some small one because the big one is not enough. We need those small ones, which is this. We need 3 colors: green, blue, yellow. Alright, next step, we need to put all the red color on the floor like this. So, all the red color must be like this. And so, this is the most careful step. We have to put them one by one up, like this. Well, you have to be careful because it will fall. It will fall just like this. And so, if it's fall, you have to redo. We need a triangle like this. But it's not enough. We need more triangle. So, we want to do 2 like this. And we'll add 1. So, it will become a stand like this using the small triangle. Now, build them up. And then, after you build them up, it is time to put the triangle there. And also, you also need more. So on this side, you need 2 more. So you see that one behind? That's why it's like this. It's like this way because we have 1. Hello guys, this is me. Wow, all these stacks look so cool. Let's see what I have. I have nothing. I should call for help. Help! 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 Hi! Oops! Whoa! Why am I so heavy? Is there something behind? Why am I so heavy? Whoa! What? How did I get this in me? So weird. Wow, that is very weird. That's why it's so heavy. Wait a second. All this can help. Huh? How did I get in you? I don't know. It was so cool. Let's begin building. Alright, in this part, we need to continue with the red, blue. Blue? Oops, it fell. Well, you know. Oh no, it fell. What should we do? Oh no. Do you remember what we do when it falls? Oh yeah, you're right. When it falls, we need triangles. I got some here. Let's begin. Do you remember how you build the triangle? You can recall, which is you need 3 triangles to build the stand. 2 triangles together like this and add 1. There you go, the stand is done. And now, what you have to do is, you just have to make them stand up. Those blocks are very easy to fall. So, put the triangle and put the blue. So, these are going to be the stand of the halfway. That's good! Oh, it's so good now! Now let's continue with the next part. Yippee! Oh, so good! Okay, I got some blocks here. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so first, we will have to just put those blocks like how we did just now. And don't forget about the stand. Put them at the side first. So, you will just have to put the stand at the red one and then continue building. You know, if you have not much left, just put two of them together. You can make a square. And now, continue. Oh, look, they're going to be falling soon. We have to prepare something before it falls. Oh yeah, just look at those toys. Continue building right now. So, let's begin building. Alright, so in this part, we will need something, which is, you need a block to stand. And make sure you have another stand. Just add one red and will fall soon. So just add the stand in. And then add this one. Add the red color one. And then add yellow. And one more yellow. And red. Oh, it fell! Oh yeah. Whoa! Alright. I got one here. Okay. So, you'll be very careful for stands. It will fall and will break sometimes the stand. And, you know, the wall will fall. The stand will break sometimes. So, you have to get an extra one like this. So, you have to build again. Alright, so now, put the stand behind like this. Good! It's awesome! So, now, you can finally done with your job. Well, don't ever try to add a yellow behind, okay? It'll fall. So don't add one more behind. And then, are you curious? So, we have one more thing. Which is, with more blocks, and we did not use it. So, the extra blocks, what would you want to do with it? Comment down below what you want me to build anymore. Oh, thanks for watching this video until the end. If you mentioned to build until the end, that's awesome. Give a like, subscribe, and comment. So you will get some message back to you. We will send message back to you. We promise. And are you curious who is building the all the time? Huh? Yeah. Hey guys, I am Wenxi, the one who always build those things. I am just 7 years old. I like to build those things. That's why I always go on channel. I'm just 7 years old. And so this video is for me, and I kind of like to build and add the toys into. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to give some likes and some subscribers and some comments. See you next time.